Hey everyone, Milton Jeffrey here, owner of Rapid Funding Solutions, and I wanted to drop a video today just to talk about how our DSCR programs are working and helping real estate investors continue to grow and develop their wealth. Right now in the market, the DSCR product, the debt service coverage ratio loan, is one of the hottest products in the market. And it's because it's built off of a program that allows a real estate investor to purchase a property without having to qualify on their own income, but instead use the actual income of the property to qualify to make that purchase. A lot of times we get questions about how do real estate investors qualify without even having to come to the table using a DTI or a debt to income ratio. And many just don't understand that in the private capital or non-QM markets, which is an area where we utilize a lot of our expertise in our private label fund, is that debt to income is not a factor for us. We're not looking to verify the employment. We're not looking to verify income, and we're not even looking to verify assets. The DSCR loan is a method of buying more real estate properties without having to worry about the limitations of the conventional world. It allows us to fund those properties at up to 80% on the purchase. I've mentioned before that there are some 85% programs coming into the market. We're seeing those now, and they're not always easily accessible, but they will be coming into the new year and probably first and second quarter. But in today's market, the 80% of purchase is what's pretty standard. And what most of our investors just don't know is that there are options for the 30-year DSCR loans in the private capital space through the programs that we offer here at RFS. We're doing deals right now where we're helping investors with the 30-year amortization, but still we can give options on whether they're doing a 5-year step down, a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or whether they're doing a 3-year step down with a 3-year prepayment penalty, even a 24, 12-month and no prepayment penalties. And sometimes they need a loan on the DSCR product that allows them to purchase a property, stick a tenant into it, but still with the ability to sell that property, in 12 to 18 months if needed. These programs can be highly flexible, and what needs to happen when you're working with us is that we listen essentially to what you're looking to do. What's the problem that we have to solve for you in creating this DSCR product program? And then what we're going to do is tailor your need to the actual program that fits best when it comes to the DSCR. You can use it to buy single family, duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, and we even use the DSC product on multifamily properties as well. So you're buying 5 units and up, the DSCR can still apply to those types of property types and still get you the flexibility that you might need on the amortizations or the prepayment penalties. That can all be flexible. Again, it just depends on what you're looking to do, and then we'll step in with the right program. But I want to emphasize for a moment that when we're closing these types of loans, the best way to do them is in the LLC. That's how you get through the underwriting fast and still don't have to pony up all of the things that you normally would have to do in the conventional world. So we get a lot of phone calls and loan submissions where those investors are thinking about, how does this affect my DTI, and thinking that there's going to be constraints on how many properties can be acquired or purchased. And, these types of programs come to the market to help real estate investors continue to scale and grow, continue to buy more properties to keep building that passive income up higher and higher without having to worry about running into restrictions on that debt to income, running into restrictions on how many properties can be purchased or owned as well. And so if you've got a scenario and you're looking to, let's get a proof of funds, or if you're looking to get a term sheet on a deal that you're looking at, please drop us an email, info@rfsfunding.com. You can also visit us online at rfsfunding.com/real estate and just drop the scenario there, and someone will reach out quickly and get you a term sheet and see what we can do to help you close that deal today. Thank you.